प्यारे बच्चों. So today we are going to learn about super cells. Okay, so this is the next topic in chapter 3, super cells. So observe the numbers written in the table below. Why are some numbers colored? Discuss. We have to discuss in this that why these some numbers are colored. This is green in number, this is green, this is also green. These green color numbers, why they are in green? So we have to see that. What do you think? What's coming in your mind? See, I'm telling you, this number is 79. As we have seen in the previously, the left and the right children height was, you know, taller or shorter accordingly that student was telling the number. Same here, you have to observe the right side and the left side of the number. If this number is greater than these both numbers, so this is colored. So that means it will become supercell. So there are some supercells given. Numbers are written in these cells. If I see 75, that is 79 and 63, so 79 is bigger. That's why it is colored. Now 63. If you see left side and right side, 75 and here 10. But 75 should be colored, you mean to say. But no, the neighbor of 75 is 79 already. So this is colored. So if you see here 10, 29, 28. So that means 29 is greater than these both numbers. So that's why 29 is colored. Now again this is 28, which is smaller than 29 and 34, so not colored. Next number is 34, so 34 is greater than 28, so that's why 34 is colored. Now we come here next. 200, you can say that 557 is greater than 200. So why it is not colored? Because 577 next number is 626. So 626 is greater than, we have to check both side, left side and right side. So that means 626 is the supercell. So here not 349 but 790 is the supercell, because left and right both the numbers are smaller than 790. Since same 198 is the supercell. So a cell is colored if the number in it is larger than its adjacent cells. So that means you have to check both sides, left side and right side, both adjacent cells. Adjacent means just neighbor. So the number 626 is colored as it is larger than 577 and 345. I hope you understand how we color these cells and why we color. So whereas 200 is not colored. Why 200 is not colored? Because 200 is smaller than 577 and the number 198 is colored because 198 is greater than 109. So I hope you understand the super cells. So super cells are the cell which is the greatest with the adjacent numbers. That number is greatest out of these, okay, neighbor numbers. So now we will do the figure it out, page number 50. We'll discuss the figure it out, page number 57. You can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 questions. So we will discuss these 10 questions. Out section 3.2, page number 57. The first question, as you can see, the numbers are marked which are the super cells in the given table. So yes, the answer is this. The 6828 is the supercell because it is greater than 670. Same as you can see that we have just checked left and right cell number. If it is smaller, this number is the supercell. 8000 is the supercell. Rest you can check. Which is there any other number which is greater than the adjacent numbers? If it is, then it is the supercell. So I can find only three numbers which are supercells. Now the question number 2. You see question number 2, fill in the table with only 4-digit numbers such that the supercells are exactly the colored cells. So we have to take care that we are taking only 4-digit numbers. As you can see that the last is the green color, 9635. You can think I can take 10,000 because 10,000 is greater than, but 10,000 will be 5-digit number. So only 4-digit number we have to take. So we have taken just one greater, which is 9636. Same 1258 is the supercell. So we have to take the number which are less than this 1258. So it is taken 1000 and 1100, and this is the supercell. So greater than 1000 and greater than 5346, which is 47. 5347 is written. So this is the answer for question number 2. You can think of the another way to fill this table. You can choose your own table. No need to just copy this answer. Think your own numbers. Now the question number 3. Fill in the table below such that we get as many supercells as possible. So if you want to take as many supercells as possible, so the correct way is take the first cell as the supercell. The first cell supercell. So this is done for you. So total 5 supercells are there out of these 9, as you can see. Because the next question is asking the same thing. Out of 9 numbers, how many supercells are there in the table? So there are 5 supercells in this table. You can take your own numbers between 1000, 100 and 1000, and you can fill the table accordingly. But please remember, the supercell number should be greater than both adjacent numbers. I hope this is clear. The next question is, find out the how many supercells are possible. So I'm telling you that to get the maximum number of supercells, we start filling the first cell as the supercell, and the number of the supercells, if the number of the cells are even number, it will be n by 2, and n is the total number of the cells you have, and the number of supercells for odd number of cells will be n plus 1 by 2. So accordingly, you can explain the even numbers 2, 4, 6. Then supercells will be 2 by 2, 1, 4 by 2, 2, 6 by 2, 3, and so on. Same for the odd numbers, 1 plus 1 by 2, that means 1, 3 plus 1 by 2, that means 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, that means 6 by 2, 3, and so on. And the strategy to get the maximum number of the supercells, we have to start by filling the first cell as supercell and then fill alternatively one supercell, one normal cell, one supercell, one normal cell. Question number 6. Can you fill a supercell table without repeating numbers such that there are no supercells? How it can be possible? The number will be automatically, the largest number will be the supercell. So no cell which is filled by the greatest number among the given numbers chosen will become the supercell automatically, irrespective of its position in the table. So this is not possible. You can write this answer or think your own idea. And will the cell having the largest number in the table always be supercell? Obviously, the largest number will always be the supercell. But the smallest number cannot be the supercell, because the number which is adjacent cell's number will automatically be the supercell, and greater than that the smallest number. So this is smallest number as a supercell is not possible, but the largest number as the supercell is possible. Question number 8. Fill in the table such that the cells having the second largest number is not a supercell. So this is the one way. You write down the second largest number at the end. Now 9 is become the supercell because 9 is greater than these both 7 and 8. So 8 is written at last. Next question. Fill in a table such that the cell having the second largest number is not a supercell, but the second smallest number is a supercell. The numbers are taken here 1 to 9. You can think of another number as we have done in the previous question. 8 is written at the last, so it is not a supercell. But 2 is written before 1. The first cell is a supercell. I have taken 2 and then 1. So automatically 2 is become the supercell. So you can think of another way and another numbers with you. Make other variations of this puzzle. You can give these challenge to your friends. Can you fill the table with 9 cells such that there are more than 5 supercell if possible? Let them think about it. And you can give the second challenge. Can you fill the table with 9 cells such that there are exactly 4 supercells? Give this challenge. Let's see are they able to do, and you yourself also can accept these challenges and try to solve if possible for you. Thank you. Enjoy your day.